jump in the water. I know you enjoy my country music Hawaiian style, but no one gets away with that little Hawaiian rock and roll, so let's put some of that on.
There was a Hawaiian Superman.
Like my song? All right. Hey, guys, mahalo for flying with me. I hope you had a good time. They always have a great time. I love a captive audience. My name is Al. This is Sunshine Helicopter. And as we say here in the islands, Ha'ina mai kapuana. That is my story told. Hi-ho, until we meet again. Cameras on the inside again. Aloha.
Magical Maui, hero of this land. The one, the only, the ultimate Hawaiian Superman. Maui, 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 Hawaiian Superman. Maui, oh Maui. Somewhere in time, so when he died in the Harley could get no way to the time. So off he goes in search of those who hold the information, so fire could be used by all the future generations. He found that a lie held the fire connection, but he played of deception fell short of perfection. With no other choice, he had to get mean. So he squeezed her life's throat until she screamed the secret to this marvelous magical Maui, hero of this land. The one, the only, the ultimate Hawaiian Superman.
Landing. Anybody hurt in that one? Just my pride, isn't it? They'll be able to open the door momentarily. She's going to turn out the videos first, then open the door.